So today, as you can see, is planting day, and these plants are cucumber, and we have the great Mr. Louis. So Mr. Louis, how old are these plants?
2 weeks and 4 days.
2 weeks and 4 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is basically planting activity in the gravel. It is a hydroponic system. How many canals are you planting today?
I planted 2 canals today.
Two?
Yeah, these two. This is from last week. and
That
this
one is from last week.
Yeah, this is from this week.
This.
Yeah,
Okay.
these two from this week.
Okay. So how many canals you plant per week?
2 canals every week.
2 canal every week.
Yeah.
So how many plants roll in one canal?
Sometimes you have 70, sometimes you have 65.
70 and 65.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Right. And while you're planting, you're also watering as well. You can see 2 weeks, 4 days. Whole.
Yep.
Right. So basically, Mr. Louis doing the planting, and Mr. Deval is doing the dropping. Right. Okay, so only these two, no more for the day.
No, for this week,
Yeah, no more for the week, right?
this is different kind.
Oh, this is a different
mini
kind.
cucumbers.
Mini.
I have two more lines for English cucumbers.
Oh, and those are large, longer cucumbers.
Big one, longer.
Big
cucumbers.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Large.
Okay. As you can see, this is the planting process in the gravel. Okay, so it's finished.
Yep.
So how long do you run the water for?
When gavel starting raining, I can give him 7 minutes,
Okay.
8 minutes, 9.
Okay.
When cucumbers start to make a roots,
Right.
now I have reduced it in minutes.
Okay.
I have 6, 5, 7. I have to, because when you don't have any roots, you need more water.
Oh, so you need more water for it to
Yeah,
develop.
yeah. When you have a root,
Yeah.
you need less.
Okay, so like those that I'm looking on over on the
Okay,
far side,
that one, last one, you have 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
That one have 8 minutes.
This one have 8 minutes. These are
because
just plant.
you just planted.
Okay. This is water alone, or this is mixed with fertilizer as well?
Yeah, this is a mix.
Mixed with fertilizer. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's coming, seeping through. Anyway guys, thanks again for tuning in.